What if I told you a lot of arty food was never heavily cooked? That is one of the most surprising things about traditional Inuit and Yapik food. A lot of it was eaten raw, frozen, dried, or only lightly boiled. Why? Because fuel was precious, because heat was expensive, and because some foods were better preserved that way. Think about it: a frozen piece of meat, a strip of dried fish, a bowl of broth, a piece of seal fat. These were not poor meals. These were survival meals. They were designed to last. They were designed to preserve nutrients. And they were designed by people who knew exactly how to live in the cold.